This 5-minute solution will show you how to block and unblock someone on Roblox. First of all, let's block someone. So here's Roblox homepage and clicking on the search box to find out a user to block. Let's open this profile. And after opening the profile whom you want to block, click on this three dot and click on block user. Block. And this is how we can block someone on Roblox. And to unblock someone, click on settings and settings. Once you are in your settings page, here select privacy. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here you will get blocked users. So click on show and here you will get all of your blocked contacts. To unblock anyone, just click on unblock next to the user. And this is how we can block and unblock someone on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.